Hello, welcome back to Next Stage Solutions AI Tools Automation and Creativity course, Module 6. In this module, I'll be taking you through AI in business and entrepreneurship. Once again, my name is Israel Ikumakpai. Now, the learning objective for this course by the ending of Module 6, students will 1. Understand how AI is transforming businesses and entrepreneurship. 2. Identify business opportunities powered by AI tools. And 3. Use AI for branding, product design, and customer service. And the last but not the least, 4, which is develop simple business automation workflows with AI. So now let's dive into it. Lesson 1, AI in modern business. These are the key concepts that we'll look into: how AI businesses are adopting AI, study cases, case study, e-commerce, healthcare, finance, media. So these are use cases where AI, the industries in which AI are being used. Secondly, AI for customer service. In business, AI are being used for customer service, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. So these are where AI or how AI are being used for businesses. Number 3, AI driven decision making. AI can help you generate data in which you can use to analyze and make also forecasting or for personalization, for personal use. AI driven decision making can help you gather data and make you analyze it for you to be able to make a good decision for your business. And 4, benefits and challenges of AI in entrepreneur. So these are the key concepts of AI in modern business. Demonstration. Let's demonstrate. Let's look into something now. Example: show how Chat GPT slash audio TDO, chatbot can handle customer inquiry. So let's take a look at how that can work. That is how ChatGPT or TDO chatbots can handle customer inquiry. And then secondly, use Perplexity AI for market research on business idea. So you open your app and let's try this out. Now let's do a little practical here. So students, pick a business, like a small business, maybe your personal business or the one you imagined, and then brainstorm 3 ways AI could improve it. So you can also search that using your ChatGPT. Then lesson 2, AI tools for branding and marketing. Let's take a look at the AI tools that we can use for branding and marketing. Now the key concept is AI in branding. AI in branding, we can use AI to generate logo, for logo generation, brand identity, and slogans. So you can use AI to brand your business, to do all these things. AI powered marketing. AI powered marketing, we can use AI for ad copywriting, social media content, email campaigns. So those are what AI can do for you in your business as per the marketing aspects. and also personalization and targeted ads with AI. So you can use AI to personalize for personalization and targeted ads. You can use AI to sort out your target audience for you to know where and how to place your adverts. So let's take a look at the tools to explore. Now we have Canva AI. Canva AI is used for, you can use it to create a logo for your business. You can use it for design. You can use it to design your posters, your flyers, and every other visual thing. And you can also use it to create video as well, hard video and faceless video and all of that. And also marketing materials like I've mentioned. So we also have copy.ai or Jasper AI. These are used for marketing copy generation. You can use them to create a marketing um, copy documents like your emails, your captions, your proposal, and every other thing. And also, we can also use ChatGPT as well. ChatGPT is used for business proposals or ad strategies. There are so many things all these AI tools can do, but we listed just few. All these AIs, they are similar and they do almost the same function or the same thing, the same task that you want them to do. It's just a little difference that is um, with them. So let's do a hands-on activity. Students, now create a mini brand kit. In this brand kit, create your business name, generate your business name with AI, and generate your logo with AI. You can use Canva for that, and then generate your slogan and a two social media post for your business. So let's open our ChatGPT or copy AI to do that. So lesson 3, automating small business operations with AI. We can automate our small business with AI. Let's take a look at the key concept. The key concept is using AI for scheduling, task management, and productivity. So these are what we can use AI to do in our business. Using AI for scheduling, you can use AI to schedule appointments with your clients, to schedule your operations. So, and also for task management, you can use it to manage your tasks. Sometimes when you have a lot of tasks, instead of you getting someone, or maybe you've forgotten your task, you can use AI to automate them for a reminder and all of that. And also for productivity, you can use your AI for that. Secondly, AI based financial tools. We have so many AI based financial tools that we can use for budgeting, for bookkeeping, and for invoices. You can use so many AI tools, to achieve this task. We also have no code automation platform. No code automation platforms, they are platforms that we use for automation to connect our apps together, like our social media, email, and every other marketing and business apps. Such is Zapier, Make, IFTTT, and the likes. So also introduction to customer relationship management, which is CRM, with AI support. So we can also use AI to create a CRM for our business. Now, demonstration. Automate a task. The example is sending a WhatsApp message when someone feels a form. For instance, when someone fill a form on your website, let's say for instance a client comes or maybe someone comes want to take up want to give you a job, or probably is just your business, and fill um, fill a form on your website, and immediately the person fills a form on your website. Normally, maybe you are not online, and then automatically, because you have automated your business, automatically because you are not online, you are busy with other things, immediately the person fills the form, a message will be sent to the person to retain the customer for you even while you are not online. So, and the last one is generate invoice with an AI assistant. You can also generate invoice with an AI. So these are things that AI can um, achieve for you. So let's now take a look at a hands-on activity that you can do on your own. So create a simple automation flow. Example, when someone describe or when someone subscribe to a newsletter, send a welcome message, like a welcome email with AI generated content. So now you generate a content with your ChatGPT or copy AI, then you automate it when such that when someone fill a form on your website or send you a message on your WhatsApp, it will automatically send a newsletter to the person, and you can also schedule newsletter for your clients. So let's try this out. We'll definitely do a practical on this. So this is the end of module 6. Thank you once again. You can contact us on the address below. Thank you once again.